Sooner Standards, distributing tasks and maintaining a project timeline, a complete Grade 7 computer science unit for Oklahoma Standard 7.AP.PD.04. Students learn to distribute tasks and maintain a project timeline when collaboratively developing computational artifacts. Inside a full teacher guide with pacing, misconceptions, and a scoring rubric, plus a content lesson with built-in comprehension checkpoints. This unit includes a standard mastery rubric for teachers and parents, a visual comparison chart of individual versus collaborative timelines, a CS Careers connection, and an AI connection, all built to the Oklahoma HQIM rubric. Also a 10-question assessment with answer key, group and individual activities, vocabulary puzzles, a family letter, and a certificate of achievement. That's 3 to 4 Daltons of no prep, HQIM aligned instruction across 33 ready to print pages. Find it at Sooner Standards on Teachers, Pay Teachers,